everyone, welcome back to Uzalo Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Uzalo from the 18th to the 22nd of July 2022 on Monday. Kapsile presents a compromise to Nkonzi regarding her radio show. Madongwe looks set to let General disappear from her heart. Something unexpected happens between Hlelo and Njeza on Tuesday. Kapsile makes a shocking decision that leaves Nkonzi frustrated. Madongwe and General have a heart-to-heart. Njeza and Sbu have an altercation with their boss on Wednesday. Things don't go according to plan for Nkonzi. Sbu and Njeza's business finally takes off. Tension is high between Nomaswazi and Viga when Nomaswazi gives him a friendly warning. General is getting deployed into a war country on Thursday. Hlelo finds herself conflicted between choosing Lokshin Bling Rep and Kwanjomane VIP lounge. Kwanda finds himself working alongside someone he detests while Viga set his sight on Sbu and Njeza on Friday. Viga finds evidence about sabotage and takes drastic measures in retaliation. Hleziphi makes a big discovery that might have dire consequences. Kapsile strong arms Nkonzi into revealing himself to the world. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.